Life insurance can be complex, so we're simplifying it. We're here to talk you through how to get insurance and the steps involved. We'll discuss what information you need to share and why, and explain some of the trickier terms along the way. So what's involved? Basically, there are 5 steps to get insurance.
Step 1, decide who you want to start your insurance conversation with, either an advisor, a bank, or directly with us.
Step 2, they'll then collect various details to help understand your needs.
This information can include your age, gender, medical history, your occupation, and your financial information.
And by the way, all this information is confidential and is handled in line with the Privacy Act.
Step 3, your info is analysed and you'll receive a statement of advice.
A statement of advice is a recommendation of the best insurance cover for you based on the information you've provided.
Step 4, once you've decided what cover you want, the application paperwork can be completed.
Step 5, your application will be assessed. If things are simple, your policy will be issued straight away. Other times, you'll receive an offer or a call to discuss further. And that's the main part, all sorted.
So what happens during the assessment? Once we have all the information required, an underwriter will look over your application.
It's their job to check you're eligible for cover, and if you are, to put together an offer based on the information you've given. They'll be able to tell you what you will and won't be covered for, and the related premiums. That's how much it all costs.
Then they create your policy document. That's your contract.
Sometimes they may have to add special terms, like exclusions, which can mean some conditions won't be covered.
For example, if you have a knee problem, you might not be covered for disability relating to future problems with that knee. Or they might add premium loadings, which are increases in price based on an increased risk.
If your cover can only be issued with special terms, we will get in touch with you,
Your advisor or your bank to explain what terms we want to apply, and you can check there's no further information missing.
if we have enough information to assess your application and you're comfortable with the offer.
Your policy can usually be issued straight away, but sometimes we need a bit more information before we can assess your application.
If this is the case, with your permission, we might contact your GP, request full medical records, or ask you to have a checkup.
Does this part take long?
Often it can only take a couple of days to get all the information, but sometimes it can take longer.
We often need information from third parties, like your GP or specialist, and this can take some time to be sent through to us.
Once enough information has been collected, we'll make you an offer. Unfortunately, in some cases, we might not be able to offer you cover based on your situation.
If this happens, we'll be in touch to help you understand why.
If you're comfortable with the offer, your policy will be issued.
This will include your policy schedule, which details all information related to you and your cover. From here, you'll have 15 days to make sure all the information is correct, as well as 30 days to make sure you're happy with your policy and if it's right for you. If not, you can cancel it. And what's non-disclosure? Your insurance is based on the information you give us, and if you miss telling us something, that's called non-disclosure.
It's important you provide true and complete information about yourself, including your health and medical history. If we offer you insurance, that offer is based on the information you provide.
Why does this matter? If you apply for cover in the future or make a claim, we may look further into your personal history. If this information was incorrect or incomplete and affects the terms of your insurance, your cover could be altered or even cancelled.
By sharing all information needed during the application process, it helps us ensure we can pay your claim to help you through a difficult time in your life. It's your responsibility to read everything thoroughly before you sign. If something isn't clear, we, your bank, or your advisor are here to answer your questions.
Do you have questions, or are you keen to start talking to someone about the application process? Check out our other video for information around the role of advisors.